hey besties, spend the day with me visiting my nana and granddad in Manchester. So I woke up literally feeling rotten, and I still feel rotten now. Then Nathaniel came and saw me for about 10 minutes. Decided to get ready because we were going to go shopping. I forgot my setting spray at home. I was fuming, but I don't look fuming. This was the fit. It was alright. Done better. My roots are literally doing so bad. I can't stand it. But my hair was cute, to be fair. My socks, they're actually pink in real life. But they don't look pink on camera, but I tell you they are pink. I drove everyone to the pub and Grandad could not figure out how to shut my door. He's just a silly boy. And then he decided to tip all the sauces out onto the table to find some salt and realised there wasn't any. So he got off with a strop. Oh, this man's doing that so good, so nice. Then me and Nathaniel decided to go to the traffic centre, go spend some money I don't have. We're in Shadvirus here. It was very meh. Didn't buy much at all. And then we were in Selfridges, literally just picking up some bits. I didn't get the jelly cats, even though I love the jelly cats. They are so cute. Buy me one. Anyone. Purchase was made. Just the refi stuff. And then I went into Zara. And I was a bit miffed off with Zara today, actually, because I went in to find the tracksuit. I didn't find it. And I didn't even pick anything up in Zara, believe it or not. Then Starbucks, free Starbucks, made me so happy. It was lovely. And then I really want the Apple headphones so bad. Like, if anyone wants to buy them, that would be fine, because I don't want to spend 500 quid on them. But they are so nice. Oh, Lounge. What a shop. It was stunning. Beautiful. Then it was raining, so Nathaniel tried to hide from it. It was so funny. Got back to Nana's, and we had tater ash, literally chef's kiss. I was tired, so tired, so I wanted to drive home because it was 2 hours, and then I'm back home. Good night.